Hi, and welcome to my YouTube video. Today's topic will be how to set up a home music studio for beginners in 2022. When you're learning on how to produce music, having the right equipment can be crucial. Setting up your own home music studio may seem like an intimidating process, but with these tips, you'll be producing your own music in no time. In 2022, things are going to be different than they are now, so all the information in this video applies to 2022 unless otherwise noted. Always make sure to double-check the most current prices when possible as well. You wouldn't want to buy an outdated piece of equipment that won't do what you need it to do. Step 1. A quick comparison of gear needed. This is a list of the gear needed to start your home music studio. Microphone. You'll need at least one microphone, but you may want as many as 3 or 4 depending on the size and shape of the room. Mixer. A mixer is used to combine audio from different sources and routes them all through one speaker. Speakers. Speakers are needed if you're using a mixer. Step 2. The basics. Recording studio software. The recording software is the most important part of your home music studio. It will allow you to record, edit, and mix all the sounds you need. The more advanced features your software has, the more complicated it will be, but typically this will give you higher quality recordings. As a beginner, there are many great options available to suit different needs and budgets. Some common choices include GarageBand and Florida Studio. Step 3. Mixes and interfaces. A mixer is the hub of all activity within your home music studio, and an interface acts as the translator between your computer and external devices. It's important to take into account what kind of interface you'll need, depending on what you want to use it for. A MIDI interface will be required if you want to use synthesizers and drum machines, while there are USB interfaces which can be used with plug-in virtual instruments such as guitars or pianos. Step 4. Monitors and headphones. Monitors are vital equipment in any music studio, no matter what your level of experience is. They produce sound by taking an electric audio signal and converting it into an audible sound wave with speakers. Headphones are also important, as they allow you to monitor the sounds and vocals you're recording without disturbing others around you. Find out if the room where you want your music studio will be large enough to house both monitors and headphones. Audio cables, etc. Music studios come with many different cables. Here are the most common types of music studio cables, and how they're typically used. Speaker cable connects speakers to amplifiers. This is the type of cable you'll need if you want to use your music studio as a PA system. Microphone cable connects microphones to mixers or amplifiers. If you plan on recording vocals, this is the type of music studio cable you'll need. Step 5. Recommended computers to record on. When setting up your music studio, the first step is deciding on the type of computer you need. This can be tricky because there are so many types of computers and each one is designed for different purposes. If you're looking to record music at home, these are some of the best computers. For those just getting started, an entry-level computer with 8GB RAM and 1TB HDD will suffice. Step 6. Recommended speakers and headphones, not including studio monitors. It's hard to know where to start when it comes to buying gear for your music studio. You need something that's going to sound good and make the process easier. Here are some of my favorite speakers and headphones that I use in my own music studio. When considering what speakers you want, make sure you're looking at active monitors. These are much better than passive monitors because they have amps built in, which means you can plug your guitar or bass directly into them with an instrument cable. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing.